Hello, everybody, and welcome back. So, today, for a change, I have made a video where we are going to talk about women's contribution in history. And I have picked up one of the women which has done tremendous work for education of females. So, see to it that you watch the video till the end. So, we're going to talk about Savitribai Phule. She is the mother of modern Indian women education. She fought for women empowerment. She was the first woman teacher. She was the main advocate of female education. Early life. Savitribai was born on 3rd January 1831. She married Jyotiba Phule at the age of 9. She was illiterate but eager to learn. Jyotiba observed societal evils and decided to educate her. Savitribai was his first student. Jyoti Rao educated Savitribai at their home. After completing her primary education with Jyoti Rao, her further education was the responsibility of his friends Sakha Rao Yeshwant Paranjape and Keshav Shivram Bhavalkar. She also enrolled herself in two teachers training programs. The first was at institution run by an American missionary, Cynthia Farrar, in Ahmednagar. The second course was at a normal school in Pune. Savitribai's birth date, that is 3rd January, is celebrated as Balika Din in the whole of Maharashtra, especially in girls' school. 1848, Savitribai Phule appeared for an examination and became a first female and successful qualified teacher in India. In 1852, Savitribai along with her husband Jyoti Rao started schools for children from the Mang and Mahar castes who were regarded as untouchables. 3 schools of Pune were in operation for untouchables. Started Mahila Mandal with the objectives of creating awareness among women regarding their rights, dignity and other social issues. In 1853, her journey was not an easy one. She was abused and had dung thrown at her on her way to school. She used to carry an extra sari with her to school every day and continued on her journey. 1854, sympathizing with the plight of widows in India, she opened a shelter for widows, child bride cast aside by their families and took initiative to educate them all. Oppressed classes were forbidden from drinking water from the common village well. Both the couples dug a well in their own backyard for them to drink water. Her efforts didn't go unnoticed and was declared to be the best teacher in the state by the British government and received further praises for her work in the field of education. In 1855, a night school was also opened by the Phule couple for agriculturists and laborers so that they can work in daytime and attend the schools at night. In 1858, all the 3 schools run by the Phules were closed. In 1873, on 24th September, the Satya Shodhak Samaj, which is called as the Truth Seekers Society, was established. In 1873, on 25th December, which is a Christmas day, Savitribai started the practice of Satya Shodhak Samaj. In 1874, Jyoti Rao and Savitribai went on to adopt a child from a Brahmin widow called Kashibai. Poetry and other social work. Savitribai Phule was also a prolific author and a poet. She published Kavya Phule in 1854 and Bhavan Kashi Subodh Ratnakar in 1892 and also a poem entitled Go Get Education. She established the Mahila Seva Mandal to raise awareness for issues concerning women's rights. Savitribai and Jyoti Rao strongly opposed Sati Pratha and they started a home for widows and forlorn children. Death. Savitribai and her adopted son Yashwant opened a clinic to treat those affected by the worldwide 3rd pandemic of the bubonic plague when it appeared in the area around Nalasopara in 1897. Savitribai died a heroic death trying to save the son of Pandurang Babaji Gaikwad upon learning that Gaikwad's son had contracted the plague in the Mahar settlement outside of Mundwa. Savitribai Phule rushed to his side and carried him on her back to the hospital. In the process, Savitribai caught the plague and died at 9 pm on 10th March 1897. Remembering Savitribai on her birth anniversary, which is 3rd January, she was born on Naigaon in the year 1840, married to 13-year-old Jyotirao Phule. 1848, couple founded first women's education at Bhidewada, worked to abolish discrimination of people based on caste and gender. Couple also opened a center, Bal Hatya Pratibandhak Griha, for pregnant rape victims. 2 books of her poems were published posthumously, Kavya Phule 1934 and Bhavan Kashi Subodh Ratnakar 1982. 1998, a stamp was released by India Post in honor of Savitribai. 2014, University of Pune was renamed as Savitribai Pune University in her honor. You can see there is a stamp photo which has Savitribai Phule's photo on it. You can see there is a picture of stamp which has Savitribai photo on it. Indian women in history. Savitribai Phule, first female teacher of the first women's school in India, is a pioneer figure. She relentlessly fought against the dominant caste system and worked towards the upliftment of the marginalized. She demanded dignity for all women, for which she worked her entire life. The principles of humanity, equality, liberty, and justice were of utmost importance to her. I hope you have enjoyed learning about Savitribai Phule through this video, and if you do so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more educational videos. Thank you so much.